Good morning, it's Stephen here from the VT group of companies. I'm coming to you from a very cold, going to get much colder Calgary, Alberta. Right now we're probably sitting about minus 18 degrees Celsius with a little bit of wind chill, not too windy right now. You can see in the background lots of snow around, rather chilly. But as of tonight, we've got the cold front coming in and we're going down to about minus 32, minus 34, so a big cold spell. So a couple of things we need to think about that I really want to bring to your attention as we get colder. And we've seen it all over the media in the last couple of days, and it's very important to acknowledge, is carbon monoxide can kill people. So you want to make sure your system is safe. And one of the best things you can do in your home is make sure you have a carbon monoxide detector. Now, all new homes will come with a carbon monoxide detector. Make sure they're working, make sure you can test them, but all new homes come with that. Now, older homes, they weren't required in the old building code, so you should have a working carbon monoxide detector in your home. If you don't, please go and get one. This is your absolute first line of defense. Now, as an energy consultant and a mechanical consultant, I've been doing this for many years. It's amazing how many times I've been into homes, and I heard another story of it this morning, where a homeowner has a carbon monoxide detector that keeps going off, so they think it's faulty, so they unplug it. Trust that carbon monoxide detector. If it's going off, you probably have an issue. Do not ignore it. Remember, carbon monoxide can be a lethal gas. It is also odorless. It is same density as air, so you're not going to necessarily find it just in the basement or just on the main floor. Make sure you have carbon monoxide detectors, first line of defense. Now, where does carbon monoxide come from? Yes, it can come from faulty equipment like cracked heat exchangers, hot water tanks that are faulty, something like that. But there is another side to this as well, and this is called combustion spillage. So this is one of the things that you maybe want to make sure you get done on your home. If you have a combustion spillage susceptible appliance, that means a furnace, a hot water tank, something that has a chimney, not a closed combustion chamber where it's a PVC or CPVC piping that takes air out and brings air directly back in, but you have one that is open to the outside, to the inside of the house, i.e. a normal chimney for a mid-efficient or a normal hot water tank, you can get what we call pressure-induced combustion spillage. So this would come from something like if you turn on your kitchen exhaust and your house has been really well sealed. So that's something you want to do, seal up the house, which is brilliant. But then you have this other consequence, or this unintended consequence. You could make it so tight that when you turn on your kitchen exhaust, bathroom exhaust fans, things like that are sucking air out of the house, you could get what we call backdrafting or combustion spillage. So again, if you have a carbon monoxide detector, it's going to be a first line of defense. So at the end of the day, make sure your systems are well calibrated, well looked after, well serviced. Make sure you're working carbon monoxide detectors. Make sure that if it does go off, you are consulting somebody like a mechanical contractor to look into the problem, but do trust it and stay safe, stay warm. And yes, welcome to the Alberta cold winters. Fortunately for us, it's the first cold one of the season, and hopefully it's not going to stick around too long.